Vic from Trading Academy. Hey, once again, just going to post a quick video on a quick update on HIMS and what's been going on. I've been actually pretty active lately on StockWits. A lot of people have asked me about what do I see happening for HIMS and the upcoming weeks. So here it is, guys. So today, right, between Friday and Monday, right, the market actually left a gap on the 4-hour time frame. I'm actually even going to go down even lower to the 1-hour time frame, and that's where I actually started calling out some particular ranges that I was actually looking out for. We were up quite a bit about 2 days ago, and someone had asked me, you know, I saw the gap, and normally I'm not a gap trader, but typically, guys, whether it's in the crypto market, the forex market, the stock market, I've been following HIMS since it actually went public in the stock market, and it looks like it is that type of stock where it's not known for its gaps. Okay, usually if you see a gap, the market will kind of like tend to pull towards that gap and eventually actually close them. So I've been seeing some good signs. I've seen some signs as far as like HIMS leaving gap on the upside, meaning like potentially these are areas where we will revisit these prices at a later date. And so right now, the best thing about HIMS that I've noticed, right? So there was a gap here Friday through Monday. We came down here. We actually closed that. I was looking at specifically the price range of 423 and 431, give or take, right? And the market actually came down here, and the low was 425, meaning that it actually did close that gap. Then we have yesterday, we shot up, and we're up about 0.33, and then we just started pulling back. I knew that we were going to pull back, and we're going to go ahead and pull back to this range as well, considering the fact that, let's see, the high was 445, the close was 443. I was like, I was expecting us to get back to 443, and sure enough, today we got as low as 441, and we finally closed that gap. And I posted a post on StockWits. I expected a nice strong bounce, and sure enough, the market actually, reacted quite nicely and started moving upward. So what I see coming now from HIMS, guys, we should be hitting the $5 mark sometime Friday or sometime next week. Okay, as long as we don't continue to leave gaps like this, I see ourselves actually shooting up here very nicely. Like I said, $5, 510 area. This area right here is really what I'm looking at. But when we talk about gaps, right, like I said earlier, these are prices that we most likely will revisit sometime soon. If we look at here on the 4-hour time frame, this green candle right here, it's just pretty much like a nice little speed bumps. As the market goes up and it does its market structure, new lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, the market will tend to start creating new higher highs and higher lows as we start making our way up. Okay, so looking at this, there's a nice little gap right here, guys. That's a $6. That's about a $6, and let me see, the closing price 49. So that is actually a really, really good sign. Now, I'm an actual long-term trader. I'm actually looking at more at investments in the long term, right? So if you guys are holding HIMS just like I am, it's gonna take some time, guys. I know earnings report is coming up. Anything that the market does pre or post market, I can really care less. I'm nothing but a technical trader. If you're a fundamental trader, there's nothing wrong with that. Respect what you guys do 100%. But I just, I've through the forex market, the crypto market, I've been trading this for a very long time, and my theory are usually like pretty good. So here we have, I already marked this range, the $5 range, give or take. Then we'll see ourselves, I'm hoping to see some sort of a reaction right here around the 450 area. Right when we get to the 450 area, we might see ourselves kind of shooting a little bit lower, just a simple pullback. But the overall goal or the overall target should be right at this green candle right here, which the high is 680, low 654. That range right there, guys, I'll go ahead and change that right now, currently as I'm doing this video live. And what I'm expecting, again, to once we reach this area, to actually pull back and, you know, hopefully continue to, you know, finally make some new higher highs and higher lows. So overall, HIMS is actually showing really good progress, especially towards the upside. And like I said, these gaps, they tend to be like kind of magnets to where HIMS is going to go. It's usually like prices that we will revisit at some point. If you guys really look at this, we got the $12.89 area over here, right? And this is a daily time frame. We have the $13.44. This is a really nice gap. And if you really look at this area right here, which I'll go ahead and mark this this area right here. So this green candle, I'm expecting to, you know, hit this within the next year or so. But at 1451, 1555, that's a big range. I get it. But anything around this area is actually my overall target for HIMS. It's going to take some time, guys. Don't worry about it. Just keep on holding. You know, do your due diligence, do your own little research. You know, don't trade with money that you can't actually afford to lose. But hey, so this method, right? These nice impulsive moves and stuff like that. Eventually, don't get me wrong, we will have our way. We're getting there. All right, we're very close. I'm actually pretty, you know, I'm pretty positive that this may actually be the bottom of our long journey, you know, our long wait that we've been waiting for. Hopefully I am right on this, right? But I've been studying impulse moves. I've been studying gaps for a very long time, guys. I mean, you know, previous predictions that I've made, for example, one of my most famous ones is AMC. AMC, right? Yes, different sector, but since September of last year, September 10th, I predicted AMC was going to drop. And guys, nice impulse move, right? Guess what? Look at this gap right here. Market will tend to close those gaps eventually, all right? And sure enough, September 10th, market went straight down. And look at this, guys, right? Right at that area where I actually had it marked. And 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, the market is actually at that price, right? So I firmly believe in this method, guys. Just keep on holding, like I said, and don't get me wrong, don't worry, we will be on the winning side here very shortly. All right, guys, don't forget, if you like the video and you would like to see some more content like this on HIMS or any other tickers, hit the like button, subscribe, and just hit me up with some of your comments. I'm here to help. I can talk investments all day. All right. If you got anything else, hey, have a great night. Enjoy the rest of your evening.